What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're doing a little unboxing for you of the brand new Silvertoes. Alright, let's open her up. I actually won these off Sneakers app. This is the second shoe I've ever won on Sneakers app, so I can't complain though. I got them for retail, but these are actually pretty clean. I was gonna sell these, but I feel like this is a nice special occasions going out kind of shoe. They look clean. They look clean. I'm like these glittery laces right there. Not really sure my thoughts on those yet. I think I prefer the black, and I think it just looks better with the black laces. Maybe even white, but I probably wouldn't do the silver on these just because that silver is like a little out there. But you know, I feel like these are kind of clean. It's definitely a versatile shoe. The quality is actually pretty good. The leather's not bad, and the little silver we got, it's pretty clean. So. Then you pull out the other one. This one comes with this pretty cool little hang tag type thing. I'm not the type to wear that on there, but it looks cool. It's definitely a cool accessory. Some people like to put them on their keychains. I feel like that's cool. But, you know, definitely a cool collector's piece. So, I feel like these are definitely clean. The silver looks a little bit different than it did in the photos, but it still looks good. And I do like the color blocking on these, you know, with the black right here. It makes them look pretty clean. So, yeah. Let's move into a little bit closer look. You see a little hang tag right there. Nothing too crazy, just Nike Air. But that silver is nice. And you got this leather up here. This is nice. This is like a nice plush leather. I don't know if that can do it justice, but definitely nice. And the same kind of leather down here. Got a little bit of tumbled leather here on the side. That actually looks pretty good as well. The quality on these is pretty good. I can't lie. Got the silver up here in the toe. And you know, the normal Jordan 1 outsole. But yeah, these are clean. And then on this one, you got the Wings logo up there. This one with the laces, see, it's like really glittery. Definitely an out there kind of lace. If you're into that, then this is probably a perfect shoe for you. Super clean though. I really do like these. So let's lace these up and see what they look like on foot. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, show some love in the comments, and if you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I'll see you guys next time.